It's fire, bro.
It really is.
Like I never came back here. Shit. I think I'm gonna see a big scary man. Oh nah. We're trying to go to the store, man. Oh, he's coming.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks. Better grab an umbrella. I make it right. I make it right. I'm in this bitch terror.
She's bitchy, she really is though. Attitude's a little bit shit. When I take it to the city, she talk shit on girls just for being friends. Why you like that? Huh? That a god, I can tell she didn't like that. She wanted me to fight back. Wild as hell, thank God I didn't fight back. She got a fat ass though. Pretty in the face, but man, she's psycho. I still lay light though. For a second I was thinking this was gonna be my hoe. But I can't do it, baby. You had your chance and blew it, baby. This ain't just the music, babe. I'm really saying screw it, baby. Bitch, you crazy.
Oh, they about to steal our gas pump. Oh, never mind. Really in a parking lot? You popping in there, yo? ¿Dónde está la leche?
Oh yeah.
At 93.
Only $1. $1 makes the bikes holler, bro. I bet people look at it so stupid. Dude. Oh, I was about to see where the hell's all so cool.
You want me to trust you? Bitch, what? You must not have known, but your other man just called up my phone and tell me what the fuck's been going on. Now what? Well, I'm not surprised because all the nights that you said.
Where we going? Now?
Yeah.
Where we going? Oh!
We go that way? I know how to get there.
I got some advice. Don't you forget, that's the reason your ex is an ex.
Jesus Christ. Just leave me the fuck alone. Stop showing up, stop calling me, stop texting me. Leave me alone. God damn it.
Out here.
I'm done.
Cause bitch, you crazy. I swear that you crazy.
Okay. Sun is hot.
I think I'm down on power. Bro, this thing is low on power.
Huh. Huh. What the fuck?
Did they just lock up?
No.
No fucking way.
No fucking way, bro. Bro, kick it over. I think it's fine, bro.
I don't think it's fine.
I think it's fine. I called dibs on your carburetor.
Huh?
Huh? We should whistling. Oh, whistling diesel it. Damn, due for this. That is just hot. Insert what the fuck Keisha mean. I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
I don't think anybody's here. Big illegal traps? Whoa. We're in there like swimwear, fool. They just have a huge ass fucking tower that was right here. This is the first time I come back here because the gate's open, but shit. Man, look at this place. Probably passed here a million times and never came in here. This is crazy, bro. Hopefully nobody's seen us because we're gonna have to do a fucking getaway cut. Yeah, they used to hide drugs back here back in the day, man. Shit. I think I'm gonna see a big scary man. Oh, nah. What you think? You think you can make it? I guess we got that. I'm gonna go with the left over here. Getting it done. Shit is fire, bro.
It really is.
Like I never came back here.
It smells like we're from the back too.
Wanna go? We're exploring today, boys.
Bitches getting hypnotic, bubonic. I'm taking over this world like I'm robotic. Like I bought it. From a payless. They say that I can trust them, thinking they should say less. I don't put no trust in nobody. I'll end up catching a body. I hate the feeling inside me when people say that they run.
Big explorers. Explore, explore, explore. Mike, 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 Mike. ¿Dónde está la leche? Show papi meñeño. Whoa. Getting a little swervy there, cuz. Yeah. Well, if you didn't hear what Kyle was saying, they said that the cops like busted this place and found like hella drugs inside of one of these, I guess. Wise words of Kyle. Aw, oh, damn, this is straight swamp, bro. Drop a gear and disappear. Oh, Mike, 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 Mike. Damn, I never seen that pond. Or that crawfish pond. Guess I'm making the way. Kyle done lost his job. All terrain, they ain't cutting it no more. Oh, and a pond. Ooh. Drop down in the comments if we should come fish this pond. I know. Next video might be going to Sabine.
Look at the alligator.
What? Let's go over here. Drop down in the comments what y'all think of these videos. Make sure y'all like and subscribe if y'all haven't already, man. Pitters are out for the summer. It's pitter season, boys. Where's the tank that says canal? Canal. Nah, we just passed it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, Mike, 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 Mike. I guess we're going to the store now, catch us something to drink. I'm not ripping like Kyle because I have a bad swing arm bush and I don't want my chain to come off. That bitch came off the other day. Look, insert clip. I'm gonna show y'all what the hell I just broke. Watch right now. Fitting.
Oh, nice. Ah, y'all, that shit's hot as hell. God damn. Nice.
Yeah, that shit was bugged, cuz. Oh shit. It broke that thing that hides the stator bar. To break out the JB weld. Weld that motherfucker back together, I swear. No kizzy, man. My swing arm bush is going bad. So that bitch made my chain come off. And yeah, that shit fucked my shit up. As you just saw. Play again. Oh yeah, that shit was fucked. Alright, see y'all at the store. They got a guy following us. Shit is crazy. Oh, he done called the cops up out before, so we doing the dash out here. Straight doing the dash. Damn. Oh shit! Scared the heebie-jeebies out of me. We're
All
trying
they
to go to the
focus
store,
on
man. Oh, we coming.
Telling me to work less and party more, but ain't nothing coming out of my life being dirt poor. Cause I've been broke my whole life, ain't nothing come of it. I've been struggling my whole life, I'm tired of it. But you're too focused on the motherfucking money, bro. But you don't know the feeling of having nothing when you're coming up. So when I get it, you're damn right, I fucking spend it. Drop 100 on some 4 and 6, they about to go and rent it. I'm working hard for the things that I have, and bitch, I'm running too fast, I couldn't keep up with class.
Now we in fucking Lewisburg. boy thought we was gonna catch her. Thought he was gonna catch her.
Shawty, she a bad bitch. First up in the comments and the caption. You know what it is with me. It's grade A diva. Can't nobody keep that on. She put it on the gram for free. She throw it back hard. Hey, 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 hey. The booty on Colossal. I'm trying to bone like Fossil. I wish that I could hook up with every Instagram model. Man, I swear I love the
But
fucking
that boy
internet.
thought he had
Anywhere
us.
you go,
That
it's
boy
like a
thought he had us. That boy thought he had us. Still blinking?
Yeah. Oh, what, bro? I saw that shit.
Bro, I didn't really think he was following us, but just in case I was doing the dash, you know? Boy, he was coming for us. We outsmarted that boy. Oh, yeah. Damn, it feels good in here. Motherfucker, stop chasing us. I think I need a Mountain Dewski. Oh, yeah. I think that's the move. Because.
You didn't get the other picture of that fun jump I sent you?
Thank you.
So I'm gonna change my
Have a good one.
Explore page look like a Playboy man. Slide booty, see me pop up, can't ignore that. She gon' get the stock and see the foreigns on the page. Ask her what's up, you tryna fuck me like of course that. I want the girls on the gram with the big booties. Want the fine bitches that be selling all these sex movies. I want the boobies, itty bitty titty, fine with me, come be my flus. But the back
Update, we're headed to Smoke Ridge now. Nobody's chased us in about 30 minutes, so we all good. We'll be over there in a quick minute.
I want a summer
Take a break and
from
get a sip of that dude, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck Tinder, I ain't swiping for shit. Oh God, fuck Tinder when you got it like this. Nowadays we couple models shooting shots of models from the fixes. Every night I'm in the DMs of a shot of shit.
Let me see them
First up
drip.
in the comments and the caption. You know what it is with me. It's grade A diva. Can't nobody keep that on. She put it on the gram for free. She throw it back like shake that ass, girl. She get you in a month.
Do it again. Damn, cuz we fucking made it. On some fucking junkers, cuz.
Junk. We made it pretty.
I can't believe we came all the way the fuck over here.
We made it pretty fucking far.
From your house all the way over here. Damn, look at that snake.
Oh damn.
Throw some now. Now. Eat my ass, snake. What was that, the crawfish ponds? I didn't know what the fuck. I don't know where the fuck we was. How much gas you got? I haven't checked in a minute. Oh, wait. Still good, bro. Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Bro, get a pit bike, bro.
Yeah, get it.
You won't regret it, bro. I got STDs. They make my coochie itch. Maddie. Bro, I'm about to snort a line, cuz. About to snort a line. About to snort a line. Hanana. They was so fucked up. What does it say? Fuck, bitch, get ass. Oh, it's $2 signs. Never mind. What am I looking at? Mike, 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 Mike. I mean, once it's a rock, it's always a rock, I guess. Unless it turns into concrete.
You can't make a rock.
I mean,
Look at it. You can't make this. Like you can't make this.
didn't expect that one. Damn, I didn't even get to watch it. Let's throw your pit bike off of there.
Oh yeah.
We can just ride back on one. Nut the butt.
Oh Mike.
Mike, 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 Mike. He needs to come ride with us. They don't even know who Mike is. What did that rock do?
Take the glass out my finger.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Nice, very nice. Oh yes, very nice.
lost. I can't be found. Locked and loaded. I ain't got no rounds. Tell me, how do I look? How do I sound? Different place, different grounds. I'm nervous, shaking, I'm contemplating. What am I thinking? I'm writing records for Nova Station. My notion's tainted. And if I make it, I promise that I'm always gonna say it. I always knew that my love for music would take me places. I put the brown bottle to my lips now.
decals, bro. I got a special delivery for your mama.